everyone, how's it going? It's Andy the Tutor here, and another one of the questions that I like, a word problem, a mystery for us to solve here. And this one's pretty cool. It's about a jet, huh? So the question here says a jet travels 570 miles in 5 hours. So in 5 hours, it covers 570. And it wants to know that at the same speed, which is rate, at this rate, how far could the jet fly in 14 hours? Okay, so first thing that we want to do is we really want to break this down to say, hey, how many miles per hour is this jet covering? Okay, so what we know is that it is covering 570 total miles, okay, in a, so let's just put on here, in a time frame, okay, so it's an equation, okay, of 5 hours. Okay, so you got 570 miles covered in 5 hours. Now, if you do the math, okay, if you do the math and you actually work this out, okay, you're going to see that if you divide 570 into 5, it's going to give you 114. So that's basically what that is telling me, is that it's covering 114 miles per hour. Okay, so in 1 hour, it gives me 114. But the question wants to know is how many miles would it cover in 14 hours? So we know that for every hour, it covers 114. Then now all I need to do is multiply that 114 times the 14 hours it wants to know. And when you multiply 114 times 14, then that's going to give you 1,596 miles. So that is your final answer. So again, just to recap, the problem tells us 570 miles in 5 hours. So that's 570 miles in 5 hours. And if I divide that 570 by 5, it's going to give me the total amount of miles per hour, which is 114. And the question says, well, if the jet is traveling at 114 miles every hour, how long or how far would it travel in 14 hours? So I put 114 times 14, and that gives me 1,596 miles. I hope this clears it up for you. If you have any other questions or anything that I can help you with, please feel free to reach out. This is Andy the Tutor checking out. Have a good night.